to the B mains. Into turn 4, looking for the green. Green flag is out. Tate Davenport off to a good start. Rich Dawson on the inside. Then it's Jeffrey Ledford, the 1S of Brian Shaw, and Casey Strock up on the outside. In between them, it's Danny Schwartz. Now making a move on the inside, it's Gary Bentley and Logan Rogers. Past the flag stand the first time, it's Tate Davenport, your leader. Rich Dawson in second. Jeffrey Ledford rides in third. Brian Shaw in fourth. Trouble. Logan Rogers looped around on the exit of turn 2, and that will bring out the caution. The 18 of Tate Davenport off to a good start there. Had a couple of car lengths lead over the 80 of Rich Dawson and the 18L of Jeffrey Ledford. Appreciate Brian Shaw. He's been running with this series for many years. Appreciate Brian and the crew for joining us here tonight. Green flag is back out. Tate Davenport drives it off into turn 1 on the inside. Then it's Rich Dawson, Brian Shaw up into third, Jeffrey Ledford fourth, Danny Schwartz fifth, Casey Schrock sixth, Gary Bentley seventh. Coming out of turn 4, it's Tate Davenport up top, Rich Dawson in second. Brian Shaw takes a peek to the outside of Rich Dawson as they head into turn 2 and roll up the backstretch. Jeffrey Ledford working that top side. Brian Shaw right ahead of him. Into 3, heading for 4. It's Tate Davenport, your leader. Rich Dawson in second. Brian Shaw third. Jeffrey Ledford fourth. Danny Schwartz on the outside of Casey Schrock. Down the backstretch they go. It's Tate Davenport, your leader. Rich Dawson in second. Jeffrey Ledford working on the wheel, trying to get that third spot from Brian Shaw. Out of turn 4, Tate Davenport up top. Rich Dawson in second. Brian Shaw third. Jeffrey Ledford working on that top side, trying to get by that 1S. Down the backstretch they race. It's still Tate Davenport in front. Trouble over in turn between 1 and 2. It's Chris Cole looped around over in 1 and 2, and that will bring out the caution.
Tough break for the 18 out of Pontiac. The phenom, Jeffrey Ledford, had just got by Brian. 2x2 now. Should be fun with 6 to go here at 8-2.
Here we go again. Green flag back out. Tate Davenport definitely good on those restarts here tonight. He's back up top, bringing Rich Dawson with him. Brian Shaw takes a peek to the outside of Dawson as they roll down the backstretch. Here comes Jeffrey Ledford turning up the heat on the outside. It's Tate Davenport in front. Rich Dawson a closer second. Jeffrey Ledford on the outside third. Brian Shaw back to fourth. Rich Dawson is right there with Tate Davenport down the backstretch. Rich Dawson takes a peek to the inside of Davenport. Here comes Jeffrey Ledford on the outside. Coming out of turn 4, it's still Tate Davenport, your leader. Rich Dawson taking a look to the inside as they head into turn 1. Jeffrey Ledford working that top side. Down the backstretch they race. It's Tate Davenport in front, but here comes Jeffrey Ledford on the outside. Jeffrey Ledford is right there with Tate Davenport coming out of turn 4. It's Davenport, your leader. Jeffrey Ledford is right there on the back bumper of Tate Davenport. Into 2, heading down the backstretch. Davenport moves up a bit, tries to block the 18L. 18L dives to the inside. It's Davenport and Ledford right there, side by side, coming out of turn 4. Rich Dawson is right there in third. Brian Shaw is in fourth. Caution's out. Caution. Neil Martin slowed over in down the backstretch and brought out the caution.
What would James Essex say, race fans? Please stay green.
Shaw, Danny Schwartz. Into 3. Rolling into 4. Looking for the green. Green flag is back out. We're underway here in Hypercoil Springs, heat race number 2. It's Tate Davenport on the top side now. Jeffrey Ledford dives to the inside, takes a peek as they roll down the back straightaway. Tate Davenport in front. Jeffrey Ledford is right there alongside in second. Rich Dawson is third. Danny Schwartz up into the 4th and final transfer spot as they come past the flag stand. It's still Tate Davenport and Jeffrey Ledford battling it out for the top spot. Rich Dawson in third. Danny Schwartz in 4th. Alan Sipp now up to challenge Brian Shaw for the 5th spot. 1 lap remains here in heat race number 2. It's Tate Davenport and Jeffrey Ledford. Davenport slips up coming out of turn 2. He's able to keep it together and hold on to the top spot. Into 3, heading for 4. Side by side coming out of turn 4. Jeffrey Ledford on the inside. Tate Davenport on the outside. Caution's out. Caution's out. Alan Stipp looped around over in turn 2.
We still got 2 more to go, Barry. Bring us home.
Rolling into 3, heading for turn 4, looking for the green. We're back underway here in heat race number 2. Tate Davenport on the top side. Jeffrey Ledford digging on the inside, trying to get that top position. It's Tate Davenport in front. Jeffrey Ledford is right there in second. Danny Schwartz takes a peek to the outside of Rich Dawson. Checkered flag in the air. Jeffrey Ledford. Rich Dawson looked like slipped by. No, they're going to give it to Tate Davenport second. Rich Dawson third. Brian Shaw around Danny Schwartz to pick up the fourth and final transfer spot. Schwartz